Hello guys, Gift for Guest Shop DIY Gift Ideas is here. In this video I'm going to show you guys part 2 on places to sell handmade crafts online. So guys are going step by step in-depth tuition, so I would like to suggest you guys watch this video till end because of this potentially DIY ideas. I really suggest to you guys to watch this videos till the end if this something you are interested in. So what you are going to learn in today's video guys, first of all, I am going to show you how to DIY miniature stone fairy house tutorial. I would like to suggest to you guys make sure to subscribe because we upload daily videos on this channel on how to make a gift, send music for best friend, best wedding song collection, engagement gift and idea, DIY food ideas for your guests, marriage return gift ideas, funny gift ideas, game gifts and relaxing music sound. So don't want to miss that fresh new do it yourself method, so make sure to press subscribe button and click the bell for getting notification from me. This audio file was created eCreator is each a free Netkeep builder and a web market. If you are a seller, you may installation your personal online save at no cost. You could also import an eBay save into eCreator. In case you are a customer, you could browse and search millions of merchandise in one-of-a-kind categories. Free Craft Fair isn't an actual marketplace, but more of a directory of different handmade businesses. The website features different crafters and handmade shop owners on a regular basis. It also includes some resources for crafty businesses. This